Do you want to take your English vocabulary to the next level? In this video, I'll show you how to increase your English vocabulary from simple to professional. And so let's just take my last sentence as an example. I said, I want to show you how to increase your English vocabulary. What if we changed that, made it more professional, and said, I want to help you elevate your English vocabulary? Do you see how that works? Going from increase to elevate. Now that's how we can really improve your business English confidence, going from simple to professional. I'm Grant. For those of you that don't know me, I'm an executive business English coach. And that means for years, I've been coaching CEOs of different international companies all over the world, learning how to be much more confident using English so that they can lead their companies in English. I will provide a list of 10 words that you can use for your vocabulary enhancement from simple to professional. I will also give you example sentences that will help you with your business language and your English communication. Let's get into it. Number one, start to initiate. Number two, help to assist. Number three, from check to verify. Number four, from plan to strategize. Number five, make to produce. Number six, fix to resolve. Number seven, talk about something to discuss something. Number eight, give to provide. Number nine, to show something or to demonstrate something. Number 10, to think about something or to consider something. So there's a list of 10 words, terms, and phrases that sound so much more professional just by upgrading from simple to professional. Let me go into detail on each of these for you. Okay? Are you ready to get started and go into detail? So, to sound more professional, you can upgrade from start to initiate. So, instead of saying, let's start the project, say, let's initiate the project. Here's some additional sentences you can say with initiate in there. We need to initiate the onboarding process. Please initiate the approval workflow. Help to assist. Instead of saying, can you help me with this task? Say, can you assist me with this task? Here are some additional sentences that you can use with assist. Could you assist me in preparing the report? Our team is here to assist with the transition. You can go from check to verify. And so instead of saying, please check the details, say, please verify the details. Here are some additional sentences that you could say with verify. Can you verify the data accuracy? It's essential to verify all information before submission. You think you can use verify in your sentences? It's a really great upgrade. You can be more professional when you improve from plan to strategize. Instead of saying, let's plan our next steps, say, let's strategize our next steps. Here are some additional sentences that you can use with strategize. We need to strategize for the upcoming quarter. Let's strategize around client engagement. Can you strategize? You can upgrade from make to produce. Instead of saying, we need to make a report, say, We need to produce a report. Here are some additional sentences using produce. We aim to produce high quality results. The team is working hard to produce the required documents. Many of you use the word fix. Let's upgrade that to a more professional word, resolve. Instead of saying, can you fix this issue? Say, can you resolve this issue? Here are some additional sentences that you can use with resolve. The IT team will resolve the connectivity issue. We need to resolve any misunderstandings quickly. The word talk is a simple word. Discuss is more professional. Instead of saying, let's talk about the proposal, say, let's discuss the proposal. Here's some additional sentences using discuss. We'll discuss the project details in the meeting. Let's discuss possible improvements. Simple English is using give. Professional business English is using provide. So instead of saying, please give feedback, say, please provide feedback. Here are some additional sentences showing you how you can use provide. Can you provide an update by Friday? We'll provide a detailed analysis. I'd like you to move from using show to demonstrate to upgrade your professional English. Instead of saying, can you show the results? Say, can you demonstrate the results? Here are some additional ways to say this. She can demonstrate her expertise on the subject. We need to demonstrate our commitment to quality. Saying to think about something is simple, and using consider is much more professional. So instead of saying, I'll think about it, say, I'll consider it. Here's some additional sentences showing you how you can use consider. Please consider all factors before making a decision. We'll consider your proposal carefully. Now, I would like you to use all of these 10 words, or choose some of these. Put in the comments what words that you think you would like to upgrade from simple to more professional. Share with us, what words would you like to use? And even better, share some of the words you actually did use since you saw this video. I'd be really encouraged to see you. See how I use the word encouraged? I'd be really encouraged to see you use some of these words and upgrade your English from simple English to professional English. Give them a try. You'll feel great. You'll really build your confidence.